She say she like the chain on my neck, and what would it take for me to gain her respect, man? She know my game is direct, man. She ditched a man, probably a lame.
What's up, loves? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Self Love is Life. If it's your first time, hey, welcome to the Self Love fam. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. So today, y'all, today, we got Miss Bobbi Boss Brazilian GoGo Curl in the color 1B Burgundy. Yes, T1B Burgundy. 20-inch situation. So one of my subscribers requested that I do this Miss Bobbi Boss GoGo Curl in a 1B Burgundy. So I said I was going to do it, so I'm here to deliver. So, I told myself I wasn't doing her no more because we was fighting last time, right? We was in here fighting last time, so I said, probably not going to do that again. But y'all, look at this freaking color. Like, this color is giving right now. It's freaking giving. I'm going to go ahead and install the hair. Let y'all know what I feel about the hair. Probably do a little teasing, a little trimming and all that good stuff for y'all on camera. But I just want to let y'all know how I feel about her. Now, I already have in my head what pretty much what it's going to be. You know what I'm saying? Because I already dealt with her before. I know how long she going to last. I know what kind of maintenance she already going to be. Like, I know all that because we already been down this road. I think I had it in 1B before with some like 27 pieces in the mix. I believe that's what it was. Yeah, 27. Was it 30 pieces? No, I think they were 27 pieces that was in the mix. So yeah, we pretty much already know what she gonna give. Make sure y'all stay tuned to find out how much hair I used, what products I used, what I need to do to this hair, the maintenance on this hair, how you want to keep it up at night, all that good stuff. Make sure y'all stay tuned for all that goodness. So let's get into this hair install. Let's go. All right, y'all, so let's get into this install. I'm going to go ahead and install the back, and then I'm going to come on here and show y'all what it's looking like. First go around I did this hair, I believe I split the hair in half and back, and then I split it in like 4 sections and 3 sections in the front. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. So I ain't fixing it. We're going to do it the same way. If it's not working out how I think it's going to work out, and I decide that I'm going to deviate from the plan, I'll let y'all know. But let's get into this. Let me show y'all my braiding pattern because it's a little bit different than it's been the last couple times. Usually it's the smaller cornrows in the front and larger cornrows connected in the back with the crisscross. But we just got mostly straight backs going on, and they braid it all into one. And I'm going to tuck that up in here, just like that. So, okay, y'all, so this is one pack installed, and I think I forgot it's a lot of freaking hair. Y'all know I have an issue with leaving enough space in between the crochet pieces in the back. Y'all know I'll be struggling with that. And even though I like my hair full, I'm like, girl, it's gonna be too full. This is what she's looking like thus far. Alright, y'all, so I have all this hair installed, and it's a lot of hair. I'm about to go ahead and give her a little mousse, a little trimmy trim. But let me let y'all see what it's looking like. I'm going to stand up so y'all can see how long it's looking and all that. This is how long she comes down without me cutting or doing any of that to her. What she looking like from the back. So yeah, see the little raggedy ends. Found the mousse. This side is giving me a little bit of, I don't know, the curls looking a little funny on that side. Alright, y'all. So this is what she's looking up. This is what she's looking like all cut up. Now, y'all know I gotta keep it 100 with y'all, right? So I flipped this over because this top row, this is the last part that I did in my hair right here, right? And I used like some pieces that was just left over that I probably shouldn't have used because I didn't want to open a new pack. So they looking a little janky. So it look like I'm gonna have to replace these like 4 or 5 that's on this top row right here. But that's why I got it flipped over like that. So this is what she's looking like. All cut up. And y'all know I'm not a professional when it comes to the cutting situation. But I did alright. So let's tease these roots. Real quick. Give him a little left, give him a little volume. Even though I got a little knot right here that I ain't feeling. This piece coming out. Okay. This is what she looking like up close and personal. I'm actually loving the freaking color. Like, I'm loving the freaking color. But let's get into the real of the real of the real. First and foremost, this freaking hair. OMG. Separating this hair was a nightmare, per usual. Y'all know because I already did this hair before. Separating was a nightmare. I literally had to like break my fingers down the sides, well, break my fingers down the strands of hair, then mousse them, pull them apart, well, pull them apart, then mousse them. Took me forever. That's why you see these little scragglies, because these was the ones that was left over that I shouldn't even used. So we're going to take those pieces out and put some new pieces in there. But the curl pattern, the wave, like, I love it. It's so freaking cute. This hair, though, is going to be a nightmare for me. Like, the hair that I just took out was so much easier to manage. Like, week 1, it was a breeze, you know what I'm saying? But this hair out the gate is like, we was in here fighting, okay? But she's so freaking cute. They put up so much freaking fight. She's so freaking cute. So yeah, like I said, separating was a nightmare. 3 packs actually was enough. I thought I was gonna have to use 4. Well, I am gonna have to open my 4th pack for this. But if you don't have a whole lot of homies left over in the floor like me, you can get away with 3 packs. If you're like me and you have a hard time separating hair that's a little difficult, get you 4 packs, sis, because you might need backup. 3 packs won't do it, but if you have some slip ups, you're gonna need that 4 pack, as I do. So, yeah. I split the hair in the back in half, and then I split it in 4s and 3s, depending on how the hair is split naturally. Like, I wasn't trying to make it do what it wasn't trying to do, you know what I'm saying? Because it's already a problem hair when it comes to separating. We're going to go ahead and let it split where it want to split at. So some of the hair is split in 3s, some of it's split in 4s. But like I said, the back is split in half. I actually ordered this hair off of Amazon, right? And y'all know I usually order my hair from ebonyline.com. A lot of times when I use brands like Retreat and Bobbi Boss and stuff like that, I usually get it from ebonyline.com. But it was a deal to get it on Amazon. I think it was $28 for like 5 packs or something like that. So, and then, you know, Prime and all that, I had to pay for shipping. So it was just a better deal this time to get my hair from Amazon. So that's what I did. And I was able to get it quick as well. And the roots is like a black and burgundy mix. And then it goes down to this brighter red. And I'm actually loving the color. Like, I'm feeling the color. And then y'all know I've been on my little color-ish lately. I told y'all I've been wanting nothing but color right now. But spring, summer, about to be summer. And I'm like, bring on all the color. So I'm definitely feeling this color. Honestly, I think this hair will be a 2-week hair. I don't see it lasting over 2 weeks for me. This hair is high maintenance. And y'all know I'm lazy as hell. Y'all know I'm real lazy, right? So this hair is one of those hair that's like cute for a week. If you want to wear it for like, you know, a particular event, or if you got somewhere that you want to go, this is that kind of hair. And then the next week you take it out. Like, that's what I would do with this hair. So I probably will not have this hair in no longer than 2 weeks max. Like, yeah, that's the plan. At night, twist her. Do not think you about to go to sleep on her like this, because you're going to wake up with an attitude, okay? Twist her up, mousse her up, or whatever hair product that you like for your crochet hair. I don't know what she would be like if I didn't put product on her, because I already put product on her, so I don't know how that would last. So, I mean, I don't know how that would work out. So, my suggestion, what I'm going to do, I'm going to mousse her up. And some nights I probably won't put mousse in it because it already has mousse in my hair. So, I probably would just twist her up every night, maybe like 8 twists, 6 to 8 twists every night. Put a bonnet on and go to bed. That's my suggestion. I already told y'all, if y'all looking for a low maintenance hair, she is not it. If you're looking for put her on a bonnet every night and go to bed hair, put her up in a ponytail and go to bed hair, she is not that hair. And don't get me wrong, because she giving body yaddy yaddy. Don't get me wrong. But you gonna work for this body yaddy yaddy, okay? You gonna work for her. And she can be worn either way. Side part. Or if you, because I kind of got like a little side part going on right here already. Or if you want like some extra boom, 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 you know, you can do a deep side part like that, like so. And give you a little deep side part. That right there. What's that giving? But for whatever reason, I'm like in the middle right now. So middle it is. So that's why I did try to do the knotless method right here and on my side part. Just because I don't know what day I'm feeling. One day I might be feeling like middle. One day I might be feeling like, you know, side part. So yeah, make it versatile. But if you're looking for, if you want to know how to do the invisible method, check out any of my other videos, because I usually show you at the very end of my install how I'm doing the knotless method in my parting space. So check out one of my other videos for that. Everything was dying on me with this install, so it was just like, I'm just going to let them know how I feel about it once it's all way in. So yeah, real quick, loves, this hair texture is like a yaki hair with a smidget of silkiness. I had to let y'all know real quick because I forgot to mention it. But I wanted to just let y'all know I just added some more pieces, right? I took out the pieces that I didn't like and added some fresh pieces. And I did that without adding any mousse to it, just to see how, you know, how that will work, right? Strand of hair is like pretty thick. Like, that's pretty thick, right? So for the back, I told y'all I split it in half, and then for the front, I split it in fours. But in order for me to do so, I had to take my fingernails and like slide it down both sides. Like this, like so, right? And then when I do that, it makes it a little bit easier, a little bit more, a little bit easier to split, right? So this is what it looked like when I split it. It's a little, see the little frizz at the bottom? But it kind of, let me set one of them down. This is what it's looking like when I split it. And I split them again too. This is what it looks like when I split it in fours. And this one was like a thicker strand. Some of the strands aren't this thick. Like, it varies. Some of them are thicker than others. But this is what you're getting. It's giving soft yak. It's giving soft yak. That's what it's giving. So I decided just to go ahead and put these few pieces that I just put in right here without any mousse. So it's like a little bit of frizz. But I like the way it feels just to touch without the mousse. You know what I'm saying? So I was like, we're just going to see how it looks and how it lasts all day today with me not putting any mousse on that part today. And we're just going to leave it right at that. And yeah, that's pretty much it for her. I hope y'all like this video. If you did, please make sure you like this video. Like this video because those things that I'm asking y'all do help my channel to grow. If you're watching this video and you're not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. I'm trying to grow my channel and I'm trying to get to 500 subscribers, so help me get there. If you're one of those ones that's going to help me get there and you subscribe to the channel, make sure you let me know I subscribe so I can thank you personally. And cause that's the only way I'm going to really probably see that you subscribe. I only can see when certain people subscribe. And I don't know. I think that has to do with a setting that you have your YouTube on. So if you do subscribe, let me know that I subscribe so I can thank you personally. And make sure you leave me a comment down below. Would you try her? Do you like her? Do you not like her? What do you like about her? What you don't like about her? Let me know down in the comments. And thank y'all for watching this video. Like, y'all don't even understand. I love y'all self-love, fam. Thank y'all for rocking with me. Like, I greatly appreciate y'all. Also, because y'all know I got my also. Also, please do not forget to love on yourself today because you deserve it. Even if you thought you didn't deserve it when you woke up this morning, you was feeling down, you was feeling low, all that. Don't listen to any of that. Love on yourself today because you deserve it. And I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye, y'all.